Hi, y'all. Excuse me. This is Becky Raisler, and I have Becky's Junk Journals on YouTube and on Instagram. Come see me. And today I am going to show you something. I'm so proud of myself. I finally did this. This is my brand new Ephemera holder, Ephemera book that I put together over the weekend. And it's made with a cereal box and fabric covering. And this is old pair of blue jeans I cut up. 3 signatures, metal corner things to protect that blue jeans. And this is the result of emptying out all of these bags. So let me show you all the goodies that I was able to get in this book. I did the tie through 2 holes in the back and just ran the ribbon through the back so I could have a tie that didn't fall off. It's full now, and this is just a drop in the bucket of the ephemera that I have. But I put 3 signatures, and each signature has 2 pieces of cardstock, 2 cardstock pages in each signature. And then what I did was I glued cardstock. I tried gluing the acetate on, and I don't have a glue that'll hold acetate down and keep it down. So I went with cardstock, and I did 3 pockets for the smaller bits. These are 1.5 inches wide. And then for the larger bits, I did 2-inch wide and 2.5-inch wide. This one has 3 pockets on it. This one has 3 pockets on it. This one has a double pocket, 2 double pockets on it. This one's got 3 pockets. 2 pockets on this one because everything's bigger. 2 double pockets on that one. 3 on this one. 3 on this one. I guess I didn't tell you how I've got it organized. I've got a lot of tickets that I just got in. I've got a lot of miscellaneous stuff. This is all roses and color coordinated. Just roses. And this is all flowers in the general colors. And this is all miscellaneous flowers in their various colors. This is all birds. This is just miscellaneous things that go in. Ephemera. 2 pockets, 2 pockets. This is all about gardening. This came out of my gardening magazines and gardening books, and that I like to use in my book, my journals. This is birds and some butterflies. These are all magazine cutouts. And then we have words. Everything on this page is just words. Some I've taken little things and glued to a background, got them ready to go. These I haven't done anything with, and they're just there waiting to be used. More words in colors that I like to use. More words and colors. Big words. And then my little labels that I put in the back of my book. Okay. Well, I'm so glad I made this. Digging through baskets and baskets and baskets and more baskets. It just drives me crazy. While I was making this, I found some more little things that I could tuck in here. I love these. I got these on Friday. And anyway, I just finished loading this thing up today. I finished the book up and loaded it up today. And this is portable. That's another thing I like about it. If I decide to go somewhere, which I rarely go anywhere, but if I did, I could just take my book along with me and have things that I could collage or tuck in pockets. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Come see me on Instagram and on YouTube at Becky's Junk Journals. Bye, y'all.